Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Capture breathtaking aerial footage and explore new perspectives with today's top picks. Best drone models combine stable flight, sharp cameras, long battery life, and smart features, making them ideal for travel, content creation, outdoor adventures, and everyday flying experiences. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Drone. The DJI Mini 3 drone is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a lightweight yet highly capable aerial photography drone. Weighing under 249 grams, it offers a hassle-free flying experience in many regions, making it especially appealing to recreational users who prefer to avoid registration requirements. Its standout feature is the ability to capture stunning 4K HDR video with impressive clarity and color accuracy. Whether filming landscapes, beaches, mountains, or city skylines, the drone delivers detailed footage with excellent dynamic range. The true vertical shooting mode is particularly useful for content creators who regularly post on social media platforms, allowing them to capture vertical footage without cropping. DJI also equips the Mini 3 with a reliable 3-axis mechanical gimbal that helps maintain smooth and stable video even in windy conditions. The drone's strong wind resistance and brushless motors provide confident flight performance, while the extended battery options allow users to stay airborne for significantly longer periods. Another major advantage is the 10-kilometer HD video transmission range, which offers a stable connection and clear live feed during flights.
Number 2. Ruko F11 Pro Drone. The Ruko F11 Pro drone is designed for users who want professional-level camera performance and extended flight capabilities without stepping into the premium price category. Equipped with a 48-megapixel camera and a large 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, it captures highly detailed images and records smooth 4K video with impressive color reproduction. One of its strongest advantages is its ability to perform well in low-light environments, making it suitable for sunset photography, evening landscapes, and creative aerial storytelling. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal plays a major role in stabilizing footage, reducing unwanted shakes, and helping create cinematic-looking videos. Flight endurance is another area where the F11 Pro shines. With 2 intelligent batteries included, users can enjoy up to 74 minutes of total flight time, giving them more opportunities to explore and capture footage without frequent battery changes. The drone also offers a long transmission range of up to 20,000 feet, providing stable video transmission and reliable control over large distances. This makes it useful for surveying large properties, documenting outdoor adventures, or exploring remote locations.
Number 3. Potensic Atom Drone. The Potensic Atom Drone stands out as a feature-rich aerial platform that combines advanced imaging technology with intelligent flight functions. Its 48-megapixel camera, powered by a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor, captures sharp and vibrant photographs while delivering smooth 4K HDR video with excellent color depth and detail. The inclusion of a 3-axis gimbal ensures stable footage even during movement, helping users achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. One of the most distinctive features is the integrated 5.5-inch Full HD touchscreen controller, which eliminates the need to rely solely on a smartphone for flight monitoring. The bright display enhances visibility outdoors and provides a convenient flying experience. The drone also benefits from advanced PicSync 4.0 transmission technology, supporting stable live video transmission up to 10 kilometers.
Number 4. Bwine F7 GIM Drone. The Bwine F7 GIM drone is built for users who want high-resolution imaging, intelligent flight features, and dependable performance for outdoor adventures. Its professional imaging system captures detailed 6K photos and smooth 4K video, making it a strong choice for aerial photography enthusiasts. The inclusion of a 3-axis brushless gimbal significantly improves stabilization, helping maintain smooth footage even when flying in windy conditions or during fast maneuvers. This level of stability makes the drone suitable for capturing landscapes, inspections, travel footage, and outdoor activities. One of the drone's most appealing characteristics is its beginner-friendly design. Features such as one-key takeoff, automatic return-to-home functionality, and beginner mode make it easy for new pilots to build confidence while learning to fly.
GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me, Orbit, Waypoint Planning, and Cruise Control, provide additional creative possibilities for recording dynamic shots.
Number 5. Oddire 249-gram drone. The Oddire 249-gram drone is a compact and beginner-friendly option that delivers a surprisingly capable aerial photography experience. Weighing just 249 grams, it offers excellent portability and convenience while avoiding registration requirements in many recreational flying situations. Its adjustable 4K UHD camera allows users to capture wide-angle aerial views with good detail and sharpness, making it suitable for travel videos, outdoor adventures, and family memories. The camera's adjustable angle provides additional flexibility when framing shots, helping users capture more creative perspectives from the air. One of the drone's strongest features is its intelligent GPS system, which enhances flight safety and usability. Functions such as automatic return to home, GPS follow mode, route planning, and orbit flight help simplify operation while providing useful tools for content creation. Powered by 2 batteries, the drone offers up to 48 minutes of total flight time, giving pilots enough opportunity to explore and record footage without constant interruptions. The best drone combines reliable performance, advanced features, and excellent value for both beginners and professionals. Whether you need stunning aerial photography, smooth video recording, or easy flight controls, choosing the right drone ensures an enjoyable experience and long-lasting satisfaction.